Hello everyone, I hope everyone's having a good day. I just wanted to record a quick video and show you how our Mitosis Meiosis review game works. So for March 8th through the 12th, on day 4, we have this Mitosis Meiosis review. So let me view assignment. Nope, I have to edit it. So basically if I click on the link, it takes me to this game, which with the help of word wall I was able to make. So the idea is we hit start, try to avoid the little enemies. It's a lot like Pac-Man, but we have a question here. So the question is, what stage of meiosis is best defined as chromosomes being pulled apart? So when I think of apart, I think of anaphase. So I have to go around the little maze and find anaphase without getting hit by the little ghosts. So the goal is to go into here, and let me make my screen a little bit bigger too. So if I get an answer correct, I go to the next one. So the question is, which stage of meiosis and meiosis is different for plant and animal cells? So if I'm unsure, I can try something like prophase and see what happens. So I guessed prophase and it was wrong, so it kicked me out of my box and it took a life away. So our lives are over on the top right, and so I have to keep going and searching, and then once I get it right, boom, then it's correct. We have a timer over here as well. And let me close this down just real quick here. We can see our timer, our lives, and our amount correct. So this question is, in meiosis, how many chromosomes do each daughter cell have? So meiosis. So in meiosis, we actually have 23 in each. No, we do not. I could have swore we had 23. Anyways, we can keep going around and until we're out of lives. What happens is if we get close enough to the little ghosts, they'll start to come towards us as well. So we don't want to get too close, otherwise they're just kind of doing their thing, being happy. And then when we eventually run out of lives, what happens is we're dead, and we can enter our leaderboard here. So it says I'm second on the leaderboard right now. If I hit leaderboard and I enter my name, I can type it in. So we're going to put Max, enter. We can see the leaderboard. So the idea, I hope this would actually stay, is that we could play together and then see who's on our leaderboard maybe after the weekend or whenever you guys have time to. So please give this a shot. Play as many times as you want, but please play for at least like 10 minutes or so to get through the questions. And then if you want to keep checking and making sure you're the top of the leaderboard, I think that's a great way to study. So I hope this is a fun game for you guys and that you enjoy it.